Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is the last video on this our playlist, and this is the 10th practice of CSS, and in the next videos we'll start JavaScript. So if you're ready to start the CSS, let's start it. So I went to cssbattle.dev website. In the previous videos we did some practice on this, and again we are going to practice in our last videos, and we will review some of them. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, I have already introduced the CSS Battle website in the previous videos, so no need to again introduce. So if you haven't seen that video, please first watch that video and then continue. So here we need to do the prediction, the output, how we can write how many divs we are going to use for in order to design the glass, like eyeglass, right? So first of all, I'm going to tell this background color is the main div, and the next thing is we have one div, and the two rounds is the two divs, and again two sides is two divs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the last one. So we have 5 divs, and they are not all of them are parent divs. So we'll write here div, and we can give class name, and we can write right side for this, right side with camel case using, okay, and then we'll just copy and paste, so five times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this one will be round 1, and this is middle, and this is round 2, and the last div we call left side. Okay, we have already written the HTML code, and then now let's start designing. So first of all, we need to fix the background color. So we will give 100% of the width and 100 view height of the height, and then we will give here main class. And also do not forget to give this one. I've already written in our Visual Studio Code, so just copy and paste in order not to waste our time. So next we have to change the color. From here we can take the color and just put it. Okay, now it's fine. So the next thing is just start from the right side. I'll write right side, and I will give width. Width can be 50 pixels. You can assume, because you can see it's not too long, and we can give height. Height can be 15 pixels. We can write, and we'll give background color for this, and the background color is here, and just put it. Okay, now it's fine. So I think 50 pixel is so small, maybe 100 is fine. And then the next thing is just we need to put this thing to the down, so maybe 80 pixels. So how we can do this? First of all, I'll get back to the main, and I'll write display flex and justify content all of them to the center, right? And align items to the center. Items to the center. And also do not forget to write flex. Okay, no need to, I think, because it's a row and it's not a. So next thing is just come over here, and then we'll write position absolute, And do not forget to give for the main class position relative because it's a parent. So we'll write position relative. Now fine. And then the next thing is just we need to write left side should be 0 pixels. And done. So I think height is a bit bigger than 15 pixels, maybe 20. And we need to minimize the width. So it can be 60 or 50. Okay, 60 is fine. So 60 pixels and 60 pixels for both sides. So I'll write here, and I will just copy paste, and to the right side I will change left side. Okay, now it's fine, but we are not seeing the left side because we have to fix the left to the right, and finished. Right? It's easy. It's a logic. This logic is fine. So the next thing is just we need to make rounds. So how we can do this? So just come over here and then I'll write dot round 1, and inside of this I'll give width. So as you can see, it's round div, both of them, and we need to give width and height in the same value of the pixels. So we can give 80 pixels each, for example, and the height also can be 80 pixels. Okay, so the next thing is just, in order to see, we need to give background color for both of this. So, background color. So we can write in here this one. Okay, and then do not forget to give border radius in order to make it round. So it should be 50% because we need to take 50% of this. Okay, so I think we made a mistake because we are not making a round. It should be, the inside should be not like this. So how we can fix this? So in order to do that, we have two ways. Okay, let's do the second way, but it's a bit longer. So I will give transparent background color. Transparent. Okay, so we are not seeing the div yet because it's transparent and because we don't have a borders. So we need to give just a border. So the border can be 20 pixels and it should be, I will write with the easy way, solid, and the color should be the one that we wanted. So this one. Okay. So I think 20 pixels. So no, we have to maximize the width and height to 160 maybe. 160 is so much, maybe 20. Okay, now fine. And the next thing is just we need to position this div. So position absolute, not above, absolute, and left should be 60 pixels. 60 is much, a bit much. Okay, 50 is fine. And let's check. So as you can see, there is a difference still. So what is the difference? So I see that the width is and height is smaller than we expected. So we need to give 30 pixels. And we need to move to 60 pixels. It's still? No, wait. Yeah, ours is bigger, not. At 20 is fine. Okay, now it's good, right? As we expected, and the same. So just we need to copy paste this one. Sorry. Okay, just we need to copy paste this one. So I will select all and Alt Shift down, and I'll write round 2. But I'm not saying because left we need to take from right. Okay, now it's fine. And the last thing that we need to do is this one. I mean, this side left. So how we can do this kind of band? Okay, it's easy to do. So in order to do that, I'll write, first of all, I will call that class, which is called, if I'm not mistaken, middle. Right? Yes, I'm right. So I will write middle. Okay, so what I will do here, we can make it this round, but we have to make it transparent, that part. You understand what I mean? So in order to do that, I'll write here to the middle. So width should be 50 pixels and height, okay, let's write down 50 pixels too, and we'll write the ground color for this in order to see that middle, and I'll give this one. Okay, now it's fine. So, and let's just make it 50%, so it will be round now. And so, okay, again we need to fix, because it should be transparent, because I want to use the borders instead of the ground color, because it's muscle to manage it. So we'll write border, and it will be around 10 pixels, for example, or 8, solid, and the color is the same as we expected. Okay, now it's fine, right? But however, we have a still problem. That problem is this one. So I think it's bigger, not 50 pixels. So we can change it to 70 to 70 or 80. Okay, 70 is fine, and just make it bigger. 30. No, 20 is fine, and not 800. Okay, so just we need to remove this part, and it will be the same as the output is written in this CSS bundle website. So in order to fix that, we use before and after classes of the middle, which is the pseudo classes, you know, right? So I'll come back over here, because we cannot give also we can open a new one, but I do not recommend that one. Okay, so I will write middle of the before should be, first of all, I will write content. So content, so it will be empty, and we'll write position absolute, and for this we need to write position relative, because it should take from this one. And the next thing is just we need to write width, so can be, what is the width of this? So it's 120, so we need to use maybe 30 pixels for the moment, and we will write height also maybe 40 pixels. I will give the ground color for this, and the color is containing from here. No, not this one. This one, I'm sorry. So first of all, just take this one, because we need to know where I'm putting that. Okay, and just write down top should be, oh, maybe top, maybe, oh, I'm sorry, 10 pixels. 10 pixel, oh, 10 pixels is not enough, so 30. Okay, fine. So I think I need to make it bigger, the width. So 60, no, 50. And I will write left, oh, not left, left should be 20 pixels from, oh, 10 or 5. Now I need to make it maybe 20. Let's check. No, fine, right? And just change the color that is, and it's finished. Okay, so we need to make also border radius pixels, and border radius is 50%. Oh, percent left. And okay, first we have to check. I think it's making a mistake. Or Yeah, because it should be 50 and maybe 60, 70, and just remove the left. No, should be minus 20 or 10 or 15. And let's change the color. We'll see if the output is fine, and then we will finish it. So maybe 60 is fine. Okay. And take out of this. Now it's finished. So now we can submit our the thing that we did, and we will see the result, how it will be. Or yes, it's 99.9% match. It's the same as it's showed in here, but a bit small mistake, but it's already done. And the high score is 595.36. It's 1420 stop. Okay, so I hope I will explain some of them. So in order to make like this kind of situation, you will have to use border radius with 50%, and you will have to try to make it unseen, that the color should be transparent, the ground color, as we written in here for our before pseudo class. And you have to use for the pseudo classes, position absolute and content first of all, and we can fix that this kind of small mistake. And also I would like to invite you to practice more and more on CSS with building different types of web pages and user interfaces. So it will be beneficial for your future knowledge and for your future career. And I hope you learned something. And if you have any further questions, I will comment my Telegram username, and you can write to directly to my Telegram. So thank you for everyone. Have a great day.